Hey guys, this is Caleb Pickett with MarineMax here on Lake Wylie. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 Harris 250 Grand Mariner Saltwater Edition. Starting here in the back, it is powered by a Mercury 400 horsepower V10 Verado. So tons of horsepower, great for any sort of water sports. You got a swim step here, it just folds down into the water. And if you don't want to get completely in, it's just a great little seat to sit. Here you got the 3-position lounger. So here you can see you're facing forward. Just move it back. Now you can sit facing rear, and then just pull this side piece. It can lay all the way down. This thing is so versatile because even back here, now you have these. The back seats can sit up like this. You can have several different positions, and this is even cooler under here. So you can. It's a drain, so you can put ice, any sort of drinks in it, and then to put them down, simply just push it up all the way, and they'll fold right back down. All right, and then moving forward, you got these captains, you got dual captain's chairs, so great spot for you and the lady and all the friends. See, it's got this beautiful stitching in all the seats. You got digital throttle, you got dual sim rides, you got your maps, your vessel view with Mercury. You can control the tower and the lights on them as well, but you can also do all that with your buttons right there. And then you got your JL audio head compartment right here. And this boat comes with this ion tower, so you have lights right here, in this spot right here, and even on the side. So at night, this is the party boat. It looks amazing, especially with these speakers. You can bump some tunes, and everybody will know you're coming. It's a lot of fun. Moving up here to the bow, one thing cool, you got this super nice ski locker. So great place to throw any sort of boards, skis, life jackets, any sort of equipment. Great storage there. Coming up here to the bow, so you got huge space. I mean, you can fit several people up here. Again, great for all the friends, great for all the family. And so you got tons of room for everybody. You're not going to be stuffed in like a sardine can. And this here is removable if you don't want it in there. But great place to store just a couple extra beverages. And one thing cool, this boat has this seat in the front. If you don't want it in there, it's all right. It is removable. You can take it out if you want, or you can have it in there just to have a nice little party scene. But yeah, guys, this is the 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 250. If you want to learn more about it, come on by. We'll be happy to show you. Thanks, guys.